Welcome to Whois Data Center, your go-to platform for comprehensive domain lookup services. In this video, we'll show you how to access and use our website's powerful functionalities to get detailed information on domains, phone numbers, emails, names, companies, keywords, and DNS records. Let's start with our homepage. Here, you'll see the Reverse Whois Domain Lookup search bar prominently displayed. Our search bar allows you to perform reverse lookups using various criteria like domain, phone number, email, name, company, keyword, or DNS. Simply enter your search term and hit search. For example, if you type google.com into the domain search bar, you'll receive a detailed Whois Lookup record for google.com. As you can see, the results provide extensive information, including domain registration details, contact information, and historical data. You can perform similar searches using a phone number, email, name, company, keyword, or DNS. Just enter the respective data, and our system will retrieve the relevant Whois records. Whois Data Center is designed to provide you with accurate and up-to-date information. Whether you're doing research, verifying data, or monitoring changes, our platform offers a robust set of tools to meet your needs. Ready to start your search? Visit whoisdatacenter.com and explore our powerful reverse lookup tools. Don't forget to subscribe for more features and updates. Thank you for choosing Whois Data Center. Stay connected and keep exploring with Whois Data Center.